shifting our focus to Maharashtra, in specific Mumbai. The financial capital of India seems to not only have issues with never-ending traffic congestion but also multiple bridge closures. Now, the latest to face the music is the 131-year-old Bellicis Railway overbridge, which will be closed for commuters from today. In fact, the bridge has been now shut for demolition and reconstruction for the next 18 months. Important to note here that the BMC declared the bridge as dangerous, that needs an urgent revamp, especially after a portion of the Gokhale Bridge in Andheri collapsed in 2018. A traffic advisory has been issued over the closure, followed by traffic diversions and vehicular movement, which has also been suspended. Now, let's tell you, the British-built bridge will now get an Indian makeover, where the Western Railways has been awarded rupees 24 crores for demolition and reconstruction of the railway section of the bridge. In fact, it is reported that the new cable-stayed steel bridge is expected to be constructed, which is specifically designed to handle the growing traffic in Mumbai. Let's also tell you, the 131-year-old Bellicis Bridge located in Mumbai Central is a crucial bridge that connects Tadio, Baikula, Nagpada, Grant Road and surrounding areas. Shrishti, my colleague, joins me for more on this. Shrishti, good afternoon. Clearly, like how we started off by saying, it's not just the traffic that Mumbaikars have to really look at, it's several road closures. But what's concerning is the findings which we understand by the BMC, which is said to be dangerous, which is why this step has been taken. Is that the case?
Well, of course, this bridge was declared in dangerous category, and that's why this step has been taken to demolish and reconstruct this particular bridge. This Bellicis Road Bridge is 131-year British-era bridge, and it will be reconstructed and demolition work will be done in next 18 months. The notification is being issued by the traffic department for a closure of this particular bridge from today till next 18 months. And you can see in the visuals also, the heavy vehicles were already prohibited as it is in the dangerous category. The small vehicles are allowed, and soon this bridge will be closed for the other traffic movement as well. But the alternative route which has been given by the traffic department is the just parallel bridge, which is the Dyna Bridge on the parallel side of Bellicis Road Bridge. However, you can see in the visuals is that on my left side is a Mumbai Central railway station, and it is an important railway station. A lot of footfall is there in this particular area, and many commuters travel from this particular bridge, which is a crucial connectivity from Tardeo to Bombay Central. And if the bridge will be closed for the next 18 months, of course, there will be traffic issues in the city. However, it is important to reconstruct, and demolition work should be done. That is the crucial and the important step that needs to be taken and is a need of an hour. But yes, it will be difficult for commuters also, knowing the fact that earlier the Dalal Road Bridge, the Gokhale Bridge, their deadlines were not followed by BMC and Railways Department. We have to wish, we have to wish at least that this bridge should be completed in a time.
Absolutely, Shrishti. Thank you very much for drawing more perspective. We're going to have to leave it at that.